Yes, the world. This is the Professor Barafinda R2UDA. The other serious case is still in the process of continuity. Therefore, the other man, Musoni Augustin, has been doing this business you see here before this terrain camera, as you can see the real concrete evidences. So the other case, as we have been telling the world that we are in the serious torture, openly and psychologically. Therefore, this is the serious political issue, as we have been telling you in so many years, now almost 2 decades, the process of internal internal injections of killing people silently from internal cells of human beings in the lineage of violating human rights on all the state benefits. As you can watch the situation at the terrain, this is the business. This Musoni Augustin is the top officials in the lab. So this is the business he is making at the terrain here. And the situation here, you see these blocks and these piled stones here have been that corner, you see. This is where that's the place where they have been carrying these blocks you see here from that place in the corner. As you can also the past one, as they did it. You see the front of this camera, the second phase. Okay. 1, 2, 3, the code 5, the case 25 RUDA case. Okay, the coordinates, as you know, as you are seeing the terrain here, I mean the United Nations, African Union, and the East African Community, inclusive all the world embassies. This is the RUDA President Barafinda R2UDA. This is the serious attack at the terrain, as I had been telling you for a long time. And the attacks are still in the process of continuity. As you see the scene, here I stand before the public of the surrounding environment. Here, this is the case I have been telling you that engulfed us so many years, and they have failed to solve this case until it produces the root causes of so many problems to the state, and which in the end can lead to the long-term grievances and as civil wars. These are among others, or among of the causes that can cause the civil wars among the citizens. This is the sign of discrimination among the state members being done by these great leaders. Therefore, satellite code 1005 on UN RUDA President As you know, the United Nations has been protecting the full rights of all human beings, the older and the younger ones. This is the business these people are busy working upon during days and nights. Therefore, the one you see here, there is his wife. That is the Musoni's wife standing. Okay, thank you very much indeed. Yeah, as you have seen her, of course, she has beaconed the cameras of the Rwanda president at the terrain. That is the concrete evidence at the Rwanda president residence here, as I'm resident of Kamashas, Sero, Akindeje village and Nyarugunga sector in Chichichiro district, Kigali city. This is where I situate currently. This is the activity has been done by the hired workers and Musoni plus his gangs, inclusive the wife of him you have seen. So that is the cause, and that is the one you see before the camera. That is the man has been doing the bad business here around. Thank you very much indeed, and it is my great pleasure. So under the UN coverage protection, you have to stand manually and stand by class 1 to monitor the international security basing wherever you are, wherever the coordinates are, and be so watchful anytime. Thank you very much indeed. So Banyarwanda kazi mwese mukurikira coordinate y'abaruda dushingiye hano mu Rwanda mu karere k'ibiyaga bigari, mukomeze mukurikirane ibi bikorwa. Musoni Augustin umutobozi w'imyaka muri lab mu Rwanda akomeze kudukorera nyuma yo kudufungira inzira yavaga inajya n'iwacu. Ibi bikaba bimaze ubu imyaka irimo kujya muri 20 ubu ni 19. Bityo rero mukomeze mukurikirana aka karengane k'ibihekane. Uru ni urugero, ni igihangamba fatana kuri tere buri munsi nk'uko nahoze mbabwira. Uyu ni perezida wa Rwanda, perezida nyaperezida, afatana abigira abategetsi ba cyane bibinyitsi bahohotera abantu abaturage kandi ari imbokoboko. Bo bitwaje icyo bari cyo, bitwaza ko bakomeye cyane bagahohotera abaturage nk'uko mwahoze mubyumva baturage batakamba ko bahohoterwa. Nibyo koko, uru ni urugero murabibona, murabona ruriya rukuta na kiriya cyapa KK 159 Street and KK 74 Street de Barafinda's meandering undefined roadmap to his homestead, and this is where it breaks off. Thank you very much indeed. So ever and ever be stand by class 1, the Musoni Augustin and his co-workers and comrades. These are the businesses they have been doing for the citizens. Yeah, he's and young people are suffering in the state. So make sure that what is going on in Rwanda, this is the business at the terrain. Thank you very much indeed. Inform every Rwanda in internal affairs and external affairs, wherever you are, and be stand by class 1.